Hi all, welcome back to part 2 of 3 of my February 2019 video tune recap. So I'm going to continue on with a couple of reels. This first one is really special to me because it's a tune that I used to not be able to play well. I would try and play along with the recording and it just didn't sound right, and I couldn't figure out how the fiddle player was doing those rolls. So this was in my early days, probably 10 to 15 years ago, when I had been playing violin for a while, but I was just getting into fiddling, and I could not play this tune. It was so frustrating. So it was kind of surprisingly delightful when I picked it up in a session probably about a year ago and found that, oh, I could play this and it sounded right, finally. So that was really cool to be able to put a tune away for that amount of time and then go away, learn a whole lot of ornamentation and stuff to add in, and suddenly it sounds right. At least it does to me. Hope it does to you as well. But yeah, so like I would start and I would play, and I didn't know what rolls were. I didn't know how to do those, and now I do. So that one is the Lads of Laois. I'm going to follow it up with the Bells of Tipperary, and I didn't intend for this to be a thing, but I'm taking you on a bus tour of the route from Dublin Airport to Cork City, because you pass through both of those counties, County Laois and County Tipperary, on the drive. That was not planned, but I like it. I'm going to stick with it. are also both for my dad in honor of his birthday today. So happy birthday, Daddy, and stay tuned for part 3.